Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can turn off Spotify shuffle play without premium. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your Spotify app first. Then let's go ahead, go to song section. Let's go to your library and let's start playing a playlist. So when I go ahead and tap on it, and when I simply start option of shuffling at all, either I can just tap on this cross icon and remove it from my playlist, and even if the song is done, then it will automatically go to another song. So what you can do here on the playlist section, you will have the shuffle option right there in the playlist. But when I open the playlist, when you tap on it, then you can go ahead, you can see you want to play songs in any order. You need to explore premium. So without the premium, you cannot have the shuffle, otherwise it will play according to the listing that it has in your playlist automatically. Otherwise you have to simply leave it. You have to get the premium for you to access that particular function. So unfortunately that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see